Hey guys, Griffin here. Sorry if I'm sweating a little bit in this video. It is 101 degrees out in right where I am right now. I thought it would be good if I filmed outside because there's very little background noise. But we're gonna be doing a very special unboxing now. I DM'd Harvey from Aviation 2008, and I said that he would, and I told him that this would be a. You can hear the noisy children behind me. Just ignore them, please. They're in the next door. But I told him on my Instagram DM that it would arrive in 2 days, but no, it actually arrived the next day. I told him yesterday. So I'm excited to open this. Okay, so they blacked out the address again too, which is good. Yeah, let's see if I can. Sorry if I'm gonna. Here, let me just cut this. Oh yeah. So it's actually this. I didn't check, so I was hoping it was this, and I was just like, ooh. So there's this random customs paperwork. Yeah, I don't want that to fall here. I'll put the scissors on the side and take a look. Here is the model. It is the Iberia A350-900 from Darren. So yeah, this looks like a pretty good model. I'm gonna unbox this real quick. It's the tape again. Darn. Okay, flip the camera yet again, and okay, so here I'm just gonna shut it, kids. Yeah. This is a nice box, and I kind of don't want to rip it, but yeah, I have to mess it up a little bit. You can see like the sides are a little bit upturned. They were originally flat as a pancake. Yeah, my hair's weird right now. Sorry about that. But yeah, here. Let me just take this out. Oh. Camera once more. Okay, let's just cut this thing loose. Okay, and take a look. So yeah, this is the model. Let's do a brief overview from the left side, so you can see these. I always notice this on airport updates with the A350, but this always has like a weird white outline. I'm not sure if that's really on the plane, but whatever. Here, let's just go for it. So review, here we have the cockpit windows, L1 door, first class, Iberia titles, L2, the wing, and the engine number 1. Oh, sorry. We have the business class, L3 door, economy, L4, and then that nice new tail that they just got, which was good compared to the hideous old livery. So yeah, that just about concludes the video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at New Jersey Aviation. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, goodbye.